In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple videos into one using Kapwing. Kapwing is a powerful online video editing tool that allows you to create content efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring you can follow along effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Kapwing's official website. If you're planning to use Kapwing frequently, I recommend bookmarking this page for easy access in the future. Once there, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage, and give it a click. Signing in allows you to save your projects and access them from any device. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in using your credentials. For convenience, let's go ahead and select the Sign In with Google option. This integrates your Google account with Kapwing, allowing you to oversee your projects seamlessly. After clicking, choose the Google account you'd like to use. If you're already signed into your Google account in your browser, your account will appear here. Simply click on your account to proceed. Once you're signed in, navigate to your project dashboard. Here you'll see a collection of your past works if you've used Kapwing before. If you're starting fresh, click on the option to open or create a new project. Next, we want to add our first video. Locate the Upload Video option, which allows you to select and add your first clip to the timeline. This first video will act as the foundation for your new combined creation. Now, once your video is loaded, it's time to adjust the size. Hover your cursor over the edges of the video and you'll see control points appear. Click and drag these points to resize your video, ensuring it correctly fits the dimensions you desire. This step is crucial to maintaining consistency in format. After resizing, it's time to add another video. Look for the Add option, repeat the upload process, and insert your next clip into the timeline. Much like before, resize this second video by dragging the corners. Be mindful to keep your video consistent in size with the previous one for a professional look. With the resizing done, you might want to adjust the position of your clips. Ensure they're well aligned by dragging and dropping them into the desired position on the timeline. This ensures smooth transitions between clips, resulting in a polished final product. And with those steps completed, your videos are now combined. This simple method allows you to create a cohesive video for sharing, presenting, or archiving. Don't forget, you can always revisit and tweak your projects as needed. Kapwing makes it easy to enhance and edit your videos to your liking. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found these steps clear and easy to follow. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be mastering more advanced editing techniques with ease. Happy editing with Kapwing!